had a lot of things to do today, but we're dropping everything we had planned and we're heading straight to Tijuana right now. Maybe not straight, actually we're going to Sammy's first, so you're still gonna
We're still going to Sammy. Where are we going?
Sammy's. Camera superstar. Spending more money.
Oh boy.
Is this the lens, huh?
What lens
is the
that?
kit lens?
Oh, that's the kit.
That's
Do you guys have the
24-70.
Feels pretty good, man.
Tell me about the viewfinder though, you just told me.
The viewfinder is,
The refresh rate? Is that the refresh rate?
I don't know. Rolling shutter is pretty bad, it feels like.
Too big.
Oh, heavy.
Is it heavy too?
Really heavy. Look at that though. Look at that mount. Alright, so both of them feel better than the Sony, I think. Let's see. Oh, no. Whoa.
What?
No joystick.
No, yeah, remember that? It's all touchscreen.
No wheel.
It's all touchscreen.
No wheel on a Canon.
No wheel.
The Canon wheel is...
Oh, look, it's got the touch. The little bar. Touch bar.
What does it do again?
You want?
This really is truly gigantic. Ooh, clicky.
Oh, that ring is cool. I like that.
How do I look, at least?
You look sick.
Mike looks pretty good with it. Alright, you gonna trade this rig right here for that?
Yeah, let's do it.
And then drop an extra 2 or 3
Only if
grand?
they'll let me do a clean swap. You know what though? If you're vlogging,
Which you probably will be.
I mean, it is nice. Damn. Yeah, the whole thing. The whole inside.
Oh, it's moving.
Yeah, look at it. Let's go to video mode. Wait.
It's a little
tricky. Oh,
Okay.
Alright, I thought the X-T3 was bad.
Yeah, now you gotta go to 3 steps.
You gotta hit 3 things.
Because they got rid of that actual exposure dial.
Yeah, the camera itself is pretty clean.
I think the viewfinder in the Fuji's the only ones that were the best.
Yeah, but you know that they made it with like special Canon crystals, right?
Oh, dude, the autofocus is really good though.
Well, X-T3 has phase detect, right?
Does it?
Yeah.
They can come in anytime.
I'd like to see what the X-T3 autofocus feels like.
It's right there. Got that guy, got you. Got that bag, got you. Oh yeah, that's moving. That's really moving. Way better than the old one. Has anybody talked about that the EOS M is literally the same design?
It does look the same.
Look, so it's just a large version of this shit camera. Makes no